Hi, I wanted to show everybody my new 18-inch slab saw made by Highland. It's model J3. The guy I got it from said that it wouldn't auto feed, so I guess you pull this lever right here. Now it locks in, but he says it's not feeding. I don't know. I'm gonna give it a try and see if I can make it work. Clean it up. It's really dirty. There's no valve down here. The blade's in good shape, but it chatters. So let me plug it in and turn it on. And notice that when I pull the lever to close the job to the auto feed, notice the auto feed is turning. Possibly, this belt may need to be tightened. Check it out. Okay, so it's totally loose. I guess there's supposed to be a spring there. What I can do for now, engage this, turn it on, and hold this down. Okay, so I lubricated it here with WD-40, and now it's running. Screw is turning. That works. Slide this back. And that stopped. Stopped here. Fit my butt. So did this belt. So let's try this. Push this down. And it seems to be okay because you can see this is turning. See, that's turning. I put some WD-40 on this worm gear, and the shaft that goes to the under its own weight, it's enough to keep it running. Yep. It started out not touching, and it started to touch. I have no oil in it, so I had to turn it off right away. So yes, I think this machine's working. Just need to clean it and get the oil in it, and it's a good machine. It's really unnoticeable. So we decided to put a rock in and leave it just about where it's going to touch. There's no oil, so I can't leave it running for too long. I'm just going to turn it on and see what happens. Yep. It seems to be working because the The drive actually is supposed to move it really, really slow because it's a big saw. This is the Highland Park J3 18-inch slab saw. This is Four Wheeling for Gems. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again. Have a good day.